Hello friends, how are you guys? I hope you all are well and safe and also Happy New Year. So today we're going to show you how to download Python language in your computer. As we all know, Python is right now the top and the highest basic needed code and language right now. So without any delay, let's get started. First, we're going to go Google. So now we're going to type there www.python.org. So we're gonna download Python. First, we're gonna download the language. So go to the download Python. Now I'll go to the downloads and they're saying download the latest version for Windows. I'm gonna do this for 3.9.1. As you see, the Python 3.9.1 is almost in my computer. I'm gonna download the free download manager. I'll suggest you to do the free download manager and download it because this will make your computer download more faster than the other version of Download Expert. And this is all with free. Now I'll just double click on it. I'll add the 3.9 path and take the install now. There are two steps in this process. I'm just telling you the step one. So we separated for two of them. So we're done. I'm not going to disable anything right now, but if you want, you can disable it. So press close. As you see, this is already installed in my computer. So I put a setup. I'll do repair. Because it will add the additional if anything is lost. So basically we're done. But this is the how to download Python step 1. You will need one more additional program, but has a quite deep setups. For that I will see you on how to download Python part 2. And viewers, happy new year 2021. I hope your whole year goes happy and surround life. Thanks and see you again.